Okay, so under the hood here, we're going to undo the negative or ground side. We're going to leave the positive attached. So this is a 10mm on this truck, and sometimes this size varies if you have different cable lines put on aftermarket. But just take that off and make sure you set it aside so it won't contact there. If you want to take off the positive side, you can as well. Okay, so the starter is on the passenger side right here, and it has a shield on it, so we're going to take out these 10mm bolts to get the shield off of it. Okay, so with this heat shield now disconnected, we're going to take out two 14mm bolts. So there's one here on the bottom, and then there's one going in to the from the other way, going this way. And so we'll take those two 14mm bolts out and then slide the starter away from the transmission. Okay, so the 14mm socket worked really well on this bottom one. For the top one, I'm using a ratcheting wrench. It just has a little bit better clearance in there with that heat shield. Okay, so that bottom bolt comes out, and then that top one, when you get it it'll come out too. And do remember to have the battery disconnected for all this, because there's a lot of power coming down here. Okay, so then you can simply just push the starter away. There's a gasket here. Okay, so that gasket just comes out. Now the starter is disconnected. And if you're removing the starter, you'll just have to take off some of the hardware up there for the plugs.